Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about YouTube tips for success. Now, I'm going to be using my channel as an example of all the mistakes that you should not be making on YouTube and what you should be doing instead. So I'm here on my channel. The first thing that you're going to, recognize is that I target different niches with this specific channel. The second thing you're going to notice is that my thumbnails are all over the place. Now, this channel was created about 3 years ago, and as you can see, my videos don't have a lot of views. I have videos that were created 2 years ago and they only have 200 or 400 views. Why is that? Because of my thumbnails. Why is that? Because I cover different niches. Why is that? Because my subscriber base are divided. So what actually happens when you have a divided subscriber base? Well, you're not going to get the amount of views and engagement necessary to rank your videos higher in YouTube for your specific term or your specific keywords. And this is what you need to refrain from doing. Pick a niche and stick with it. That is the first YouTube tip for success I have for you. When you want to start making money on YouTube or using YouTube as a platform to grow your business, you need to pick a specific niche and you need to stick with it. So if we go over to this channel, guys, and we see this guy here, he started his channel less than a year ago and he has 195,000 subscribers. Why? Because he only targets a specific niche on YouTube. Why? Because he only creates content around that specific niche on YouTube. So his subscriber base are actually interested in what he has to offer on the platform. So whenever he puts out a video, he gets the right amount of views and engagement on his video to be able to rank his video very high or have YouTube show his video to more people because they're getting the right amount of engagement within the first 24 hours. Another reason why he's so successful on YouTube is because of his thumbnails, and we're going to be talking about that in a second. Let's go on over to another channel. So this guy is Big Mark. Big Mark is awesome. I love his video. I watch them all the time. And what he has in common with this Branson Tay is that he also targets making money online. Now, he has over 541,000 subscribers, and what they have in common is that the both of them are consistent with one niche. He talks about making money and he creates content around making money, and his channel is less than a year old. So as you can see, they also have something else in common, which are the thumbnails. The thumbnails, they're bright in color, they have huge text on them, they have less actions going on in the background, and it's easier to read and it makes you want to click through. So guys, once you pick a niche on YouTube, you need to do your keyword research. Keyword research is very important, and that is what is going to make your videos rank and they show up in the YouTube search engine and Google search engine to be able to get views to your videos. Now, there are sites that you can use. Some of them are free and some are paid. And this one is called What's My SERP. It's a free tool that you can add to your Chrome bar to help you find the monthly search volume for specific keywords, the competition, and the cost per click for that particular keyword. Next, we have the Keywords Everywhere tool, and this one costs you around $10 for 100,000 credits. And each search you make actually costs 1 credit, so it's going to last you a lifetime if you use this tool. So next we have this Keywordshitter tool, guys, and this is awesome for gathering tons of keywords that you can use. Just type your initial keyword in there and click the start the process, and it's going to give you a lot of keywords that you can go ahead and research. Now, once you find a keyword that is relevant to your video, you just want to go ahead, copy it, go back to YouTube, and this is very important. You want to go back to YouTube and paste that in there. Just hit enter, and you need to have the vidIQ and the TubeBuddy tool installed to be able to find how low the competition is for this particular keyword. So that's tip number 2 after finding the right niche. Tip number 3, guys, is actually creating awesome thumbnails. Now your thumbnails are everything on YouTube. If you want to be able to get views and clicks to your video, you need to replicate what is already working in the system. This is how online marketing works. If you try to create something new on your own, chances are people are not used to seeing your type of design and they've not been introduced to it yet. They're already used to seeing certain types of colors on certain platforms. So by replicating the system, you are going to succeed much faster than other people. Now what you need to do here, guys, is this guy, his top performing video is this video. So all you can do is copy the keyword from there, and you want to go to Google and type that into Google, go to images, and here is the thumbnail. Now what you can do here is download this thumbnail and go to Canva color palette generator, upload the image in here, and it's going to give you the exact background color that he used on his video thumbnail. Once you do that, guys, you will be able to create a similar type of thumbnail for your video by using a free site like Canva. Now there's also this free site called picturetopeople.org. It helps you create, different graphics like these kinds of text with backgrounds, and you can also remove the backgrounds to have a transparent background that you can add to your thumbnails and put them on YouTube. So how do you actually find channels that are related to your niche that you can go ahead and replicate to grow on YouTube? Well, all you got to do is go ahead and search for, if you're in the make money category, you can just search for make money online. Click enter, guys, and you want to filter this by channels. So you can go ahead and use that filter, and you're going to find all of the top performing channels in that specific niche. As you can see, Big Mark is here. You have Make Money, this guy, I don't know what his name is, and all of the different top channels that are targeting that specific niche. You can go ahead and open them up, find the biggest channels in that specific niche, and you can replicate whatever it is that they're doing on YouTube. So tip number 5, guys, is actually creating longer content than your competition. So if you're trying to go ahead and replicate this video for your channel, you want to create a longer video than this one. Now what this does is that it helps you rank next to or higher than this particular video, or have you show up in the related video section on YouTube. This is very important. I have done this a million times and it works every single time. Once you find a video that is related to what your video is about, you want to go ahead and create a longer video than your competition. So next, let's talk about tip number 6, which is having a specific schedule for your YouTube channel. So if we go back to this guy's videos, we're going to go ahead and sort this by videos, newest. You're going to see that he creates videos every single day. As you can see here, 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, 1 day, and 19 hours ago. He makes it possible for his videos to go out every single day at a specific time by using this free schedule tool that YouTube gives you in your YouTube studio. So all you can do is create a batch of content for the whole week if you do not have the time, and you can come to this schedule option here and choose the date and time that you want your videos to go out. Now what this also does is that it helps you actually put out content at times when your audience are active on the platform. Now how do you know this? Is by going into your YouTube studio and finding which countries your audience are coming from. And once you know which country they're coming from, you're going to know that these people are actually active on the platform at certain times of the day. Depending on their time zone and your time zone, you can schedule your content to go out at specific time. So guys, the next tip I have for you is commenting on relevant channels and relevant videos. So simply go ahead and type in your niche, whatever it is here on YouTube, and you want to filter the video, go to videos, and then you filter it by today. Once you do that, you're going to get all of the videos that were published today, and you want to go ahead and start commenting on those videos. So we're going to go ahead and open up this one, and you want to go ahead and leave a comment. you want to make sure that you're not spammy. You want to watch the video, at least a little bit of the video, to get an idea on what he's talking about, to be able to create a legit comment that could be ranked higher. Now, the newer your channel, guys, the lower your comment is going to rank. The more your channel grows, it's going to rank higher when you comment on other videos in your niche. But this also helps you get backlinks in the beginning of creating your channel. So you want to go ahead and at least leave a comment every single day on other videos in your niche on YouTube. So the last tip I have for you guys, and maybe a very important tip, is to watch your competitor's video. So if you find someone in your niche that you look up to, that create amazing content, that has a lot of subscribers and is successful on YouTube, you want to watch and learn from that person. You want to watch their videos on a regular basis and see what it is that they are doing that you can maybe replicate or learn, that you can apply to your own videos to be able to be successful as well. So I'm here on Big Mark channel, and like I said, I usually watch his videos, and I like the way that he is so honest with his subscribers, with his audience. He speaks from his heart, and even though he has content that don't really work, or they haven't been tried or tested by himself, but the way that he's so honest with his audience is something that I picked up from him. It's something that I actually like about him. It's something that I try to do in my own videos. I try to be honest with my subscribers as well. But the difference between him and I is that I actually try stuff before showing it to my audience. I never create a video around a topic that I have not tried and I have not tested. So go out there, guys, find your competition, watch their videos, learn from them, and actually use some of what you learn from them in your own videos to be successful on YouTube. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if you did like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments below if you have any other tips that have been helpful to you on YouTube. Stay awesome until next time, and stay safe, guys.